Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams in just a few simple steps. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner to open the Personal menu. A drop-down appears with your account details and several menu options including My Microsoft Account, Sign Out, and View Account. Click on My Microsoft Account to open your account settings page. This takes you to the main account management area where you can update your personal information and settings. Once the Your Info page loads, click on the Change Photo button to open the Photo Upload dialog. The Your Info section displays your current profile picture along with your name and email address. In the Change Photo dialog, click on the Change Photo link to open your File Explorer. This lets you browse for an image file stored on your computer. Select the image file you want to use and click the Open button. Profile pictures work best when they're square and at least 200 by 200 pixels. Your File Explorer will close, and the selected image will load in the dialog for preview. You'll see a thumbnail of your chosen image displayed in the center of the dialog. Click the Save button to confirm your new profile picture. Your changes save immediately, and the dialog closes automatically. A Looking Sharp Today's success message appears confirming your profile picture has been updated. The new image now displays in the top right corner of the page. Your new profile picture can take a few minutes to sync across all Microsoft services, so if you don't see it in Teams straight away, give it a moment and refresh. If you want to change it again later, just follow the same steps. There's no limit to how many times you can update it. The picture you choose will appear next to your messages in chats and channels, so make sure it's something appropriate for your work or team environment. Keep in mind that your profile picture is visible to everyone in your organization, and that's how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.